Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use OnePay at Walmart. To start, link OnePay to your Walmart account. For online shopping, open the Walmart app or visit the Walmart website and sign in. Go to Account Settings, then select Wallet or Payment Methods and add OnePay Wallet as your preferred payment option. Once added, it's ready to use at checkout. When shopping online, simply add items to your cart. At checkout, choose OnePay Wallet as your payment method. In a Walmart store, you can use OnePay at the register or self-checkout. After scanning your items, open the OnePay app on your phone. Follow the instructions, which may involve scanning a QR code or showing a barcode for the cashier. After the payment is processed, you'll get confirmation on your phone along with a digital receipt. You can also earn rewards when using OnePay at Walmart. With OnePay, shopping at Walmart both online and in-store is fast, secure, and convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.